Are you using a Windows PC? Then you are missing out on some amazing hidden features that can boost your speed, productivity, and control instantly. Today I am showing you 8 powerful Windows 11 tricks that most users have never seen. So let's get started. You shut down your PC, but did it really shut down? Because of a feature called Fast Startup, Windows often skips a full shutdown, leaving bugs, background tasks, and memory junk behind. So let me show you how to force a proper shutdown with just one click. Press Windows plus R. Now type Notepad and hit enter. Now paste this code. Now go to File, then Save As. Now set the file name as shutdown.now.bat. Now change Save As type to All Files and click Save. Now you have a full shutdown shortcut. Double click it anytime to instantly full shut down your PC. Want every powerful admin tool in one place? There's a hidden folder for that. So first create a new folder. Now name it exactly this. And boom, a control panel God mode folder with everything from performance monitor to driver manager, all in one scroll. Too many apps open at once, but virtual desktops give you extra space to work without distractions. So first press Windows plus tab. Then click on New Desktop. Now you can have one for work, one for gaming and one for media. You can switch with Ctrl plus Win plus left or right arrow. It's like having multiple computers in one. Basic disk cleanup helps, but there's a hidden deeper clean that frees up much more space. So let me show you how. Press Windows plus R. Now here type clean mgr space forward slash set colon 1 and press enter. Now check all boxes you want to clean. Then click OK. Then again press Windows plus R and type clean mgr space forward slash sage run colon 1. Then hit enter. Now select the drive you want to clean up and click OK. After that check the boxes and click OK. And this will ask you, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? Now just simply click on delete files. This cleans system logs, old updates and memory dumps, freeing up a lot of space on your PC. Tired of random crashes? Don't guess what's wrong. Let Reliability Monitor show you the real problem. Open Start. Then search for Reliability History. Click on it. Now you will see a timelines of errors, warnings and critical events. It's like a health report of your PC, perfect for spotting patterns or driver issues. Want your PC to boost faster? Then turn on Fast Startup. It's like a hybrid sleep mode for quicker power up. First, go to Control Panel. Then Power Options. Now click on Choose what the power buttons do. Now enable Turn on Fast Startup under Shutdown Settings. It stores your system state for faster boot, like sleep mode but deeper. Right click a file and hit send to. It's useful. But what if you could fully customize that menu? Add folders, driver or apps you use daily. So let's turn that plain menu into your personal shortcut hub. First, press Windows plus R. Type shell send to and hit enter. This opens the hidden send to folder. Now create a new folder on your desktop or where you want. Now just drag and drop shortcuts here. These items will now appear in the right click. Then send to menu for quick access anytime. Want access to hidden tools like a pro? Then turn on developer mode and unlock advanced features instantly. So first press Windows plus I to go to settings. Then go to system. After that go to for developers. Now turn on developer mode. You can now sideloaded apps, access extra settings and even view restricted file paths. Click yes. And that's it. So these are 8 powerful Windows tricks you probably didn't know. So which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. So if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick and powerful tech tips and tricks. Thank you. Thanks for watching.